Alright, so this is when things get a little difficult, but nothing too bad. You always got to know what you have and what you can use. You're going to use a lot of different things that we've talked about in the previous. So first thing right here, I have a triangle over here. You can see there's my triangle. I need to know this. That's what I need to know. But if I look at my line, I got right here and right here. This arc that I'm trying to find actually goes with this guy right there. So they go together. So whatever I find for x, all I have to do is double it to find the question mark. So if you remember, this is why I tell you got to remember things from previous units. If I look at a triangle, if you remember, well, how much does a triangle have to add up to? Is it 360? Is it 90? No, it's 180. So if I know two angles in a triangle, it's not even a right triangle. It's not because I don't have a 90. All I have to do is take 180 minus 80, and then minus 35. So it'll be 65 degrees. So that means x is 65. Not my answer. This is 65. And what we talked about before, if I just follow my lines, it goes to my answer. So all I got to do is multiply by 2. 130. So you can see we have to do one thing in order to do the next. Now another thing I could have done, if you realize this, is figured out that this is 70 because I'm going to follow my lines here. 35 becomes here. And 80, this big one on the right here, is going to be 160. I got those numbers by multiplying 80 times 2 and 75 times 2. Now if I take 75 plus 160 and then subtract it from 360, because all three of these have to add up to 360, if you took 360 minus 160 and 70, I can guarantee you're going to get 130. So you can see there's multiple ways to do it. It's all about what you see. One person can do it the way I did the first way. Someone else can do it the 360 way. It's up to you. Alright, let's look here. The first thing I was identifying in a problem, guys, is that I have a diameter, which means 180 degrees should come into play. And then I look at what I'm given. Okay, I'm given 156. You see that does not go with it. This goes with this little angle here. Not helping. But if I look here, 56 goes right here. Okay, let's just do what I know. 56 times 2 is 112. Okay, so wait, let's go back to this diameter concept. Okay, if I do this, there's only two arcs to the left. There's a question mark 112. If you remember, a semicircle has to add up to 180. So that means those have to add up to 180. So all I got to do is subtract. There's my answer, 68 degrees. So guys, just do what you know. Know that they have to add up to 180. Know that, okay, I got 56. I know this arc is 112. And I'm like, okay, look, I have here. Do what you know, and it's going to figure out what you need and how to do it.